Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing sticky keys on your MSI laptop, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to dust, debris, or even spills that find their way under the keys. If left untreated, it can lead to further problems, such as unresponsive keys or even damage to the keyboard mechanism itself. Let's get started on fixing that. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger or prying tool, a can of compressed air, and a replacement keyboard casing, which you can find online or at your local electronics store. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's essential to avoid any electrical hazards while we work. Begin by carefully removing the screws from the back panel of your MSI laptop. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use your plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Work your way around the edges, being cautious not to damage any clips or components inside. Once the back panel is off, locate the keyboard connector. This is usually a flat ribbon cable connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking mechanism, taking care not to pull on the cable itself. Now, you'll need to remove the faulty keyboard casing. Depending on your model, this might involve unscrewing additional screws that hold the keyboard in place. Once these screws are removed, you can gently lift the keyboard out of its housing. Be cautious at this stage to avoid damaging any nearby components. After you've extracted the old casing, take your new keyboard casing and position it carefully in place. Reconnect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring that the locking mechanism is securely fastened. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace any screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard in place. Once everything is tightened and secured, carefully reattach the back panel of your laptop, making sure all clips are in place and nothing is pinched. Finally, power on your laptop to test the keys. They should now be functioning normally. To avoid future sticky key issues, ensure that you regularly clean your keyboard with compressed air to remove dust and debris. Additionally, try to keep food and drinks away from your laptop to prevent spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.